Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we will jump to module 9, which is string handling. In this module, we'll be discussing about string functions like inspect, tailing and replacing. We'll discuss about concatenating the string and we'll discuss about unstring function as well in COBOL. So let's start. Starting with the string handling statements. So there are three statements we have for string and handling. First is inspect, second is string, and third one is unstring. So starting with the inspect first. So inspect verb is used to count or replace the characters in a given string. For example, there is a string COBOL programming. If we need to count the characters in that, we use inspect. Also, if we need to replace any character, we can replace it with the replace statement in a string. And string operations can be performed on alphanumeric, numeric, or alphabetic values. Means all three data types we can perform the string operation. Inspect operations are performed from left to right. From left to right, the operation can be performed. So inspect, we have two options. First is tailing and the second one is replacing. So let's understand tailing first. Tailing option is used to count the string in a character. Syntax is inspect input string, tailing output count for all characters. So basically it gives us the count of a character for the given string. So let's go to the mainframe and execute a COBOL program for tailing first. This is module 9. Program name would be inspect program. So this is the coding sheet we have. First is identification, division. Then we have program ID, inspect program. Then we have environment, division. Then we have data, division. Then we have working, storage, section, and then procedure, division, then stop run. So this is the basic structure of a COBOL program. So let's first define the input string 01 ws string 1. Value would be pick x of 20 and value would be value COBOL programming. So guys, we will count the number of characters in this string. So come to the procedure division. First display tailing operation. Then, so guys, in the syntax we have inspect, but since this is the turnkey for system, so we use examine keyword instead of inspect. But in modern COBOL, we have the inspect keyword. Since this is old version, so we will use examine. This work as a same inspect keyword. Examine ws string 1 tailing all tailing all. Okay, now we will display ws count for ws string is tally. So guys, since this is a turnkey for system, tally is a register for COBOL which stores the count of this field count. So what we are doing here is, first we are displaying the tailing operation. Then instead of inspect, we are using examine ws string 1. And if it was the latest mainframe we would have Then instead of examine, we will write inspect. Since this is a turnkey for system, we need to write examine. WS string 1 telling all means it will count the WS characters from WS string. So let's print. So guys, we will count for all O present in this string. For all O. Okay. So it will display 1, 2, 3. 3 O's present in there. So it will display the 3. Let's save the program and submit the compile job. This is the compile job we have. Inspect program. Submit this compile job. Go to the spool. So program ran successfully. Let's execute the program now. To execute, first go to the run JCL. So this is our run JCL. Program name is inspect program. This is our load library. Let's submit the job. Go to the spool. Program executed successfully. Inspect P, return code 40. Let's see the output message. So guys, see. Count for WS string. We have counted letter O. So 3 times. See. For O, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So this way, guys, we can count the string characters in COBOL through the inspect input string. So guys, I already informed you that we did not use the inspect keyword since this is turnkey for system. Instead, inspect we have used the examine keyword. So if you are using the mainframe, then use the inspect instead of examine. The next statement in inspect we have is replacing. So replacing option is used to replace the string character. So here is the syntax. Is inspect input string replacing all character 1 by character 2. So let's execute the program for replacing. Go to the mainframe. So guys, replacing, what we will do? We will replace this O characters with A with the use of replacing statement. So let's do. Examine WS string 1 replacing O by A. That's it. So what we are doing, we are replacing this O characters in this string with A, and we are displaying string replace string. Okay? Yes, string. We are displaying the string value after replacing the O characters with O. See, so what we will do, examine WS string 1 replacing O by A. Replace string WS string. So the output would be CABAL PRAGRAMMING, means COBOL programming, because we are replacing O by A. So let's save the program, then compile it. Go to the compile JCL. This is the program name, inspect P, and this is the load library. Let's submit the job. Compile job submitted. So program error with 12. Okay. So examine WS string 1 replacing insert okay. So all was missing. Let's save the program, compile the job again, and compile job submitted. Let's see the error message now. So program compiled successfully. Now let's run the program. Go to the run JCL, and this is the program name, and this is the load library. Let's submit the job. Job submitted. Let's go to the spool. this is a run JCL, and see the output message we have. So guys, see, the output message is replace string. COBOL programming becomes CABAL PRAGRAMMING. COBOL programming. This result was expected. So this way we have replaced the string character by using the replacing keyword we have in COBOL. So I hope guys you have understood the string statements we have tailing and replacing under the inspect. So thank you guys. We will meet in the next one.